One of the things we're excited to bring here at ISC 2022 is the R750XA, which is our workhorse in AI and simulation. And you can install, let's say, PCI Express cards, which can be accelerators, different kinds, so NVIDIA, AMD, and even FPGAs or Intel's upcoming Ponte Vecchio cards, which makes it a very flexible platform for people to start with only one card, but then moving on. One of the special things that we've done is making sure that the cards are in the front so that they get the cooling first. But on the back there's lots of I/O capabilities and even some storage capabilities so that for specific workloads you can adjust the system if needed. So the next one we'll be talking about is the XE8545, which is basically an AMD EPYC based system, but has in the back what we call NVLink based four-way GPU solution that is ideal a building block for AI solutions, inferencing, training, but also simulation. So we have quite a few customers that use in HPC clusters to a good extent, but it's limited to NVIDIA basically. So it's only one kind of acceleration platform, but it's a very big and very powerful machine. One of the next ones is what we call the XR12, which is a ruggedized, a shortened version of a normal rack server, but we made sure that it's kind of folded inside itself so that we have storage and we can add GPUs into it. One of the use cases that we've used it in is interesting because it's using to control smart grids in a wind farm where they control the windmills, and these machines are just sitting inside the windmill. In ruggedized conditions they will be running at temperatures you can't control. They can take warm air and still keep working. Underneath the XR12 you see a switch, which is a 400 gigabit Ethernet switch. It's a very exciting product to bring it already because we are one of the first ones to bring 400 gigabit Ethernet, and one of the snags, of the special things about it is that it actually comes with an operating system. You can have our Sonic, which is a very good operating system, but you can also upload a open source based network switching operating system. It's one of the few out there in the world. Then we step over to these systems, which is the PowerScale F900, which is a flash-based storage system. You normally have these, we only have one on view here, but it consists of a cluster of minimal 3 nodes because it needs to do erasure encoding across itself. The nice thing about it is that it provides file access, NFS, SMB, etc. to a cluster or a system at high velocities. But the nice thing about it is when you want to upgrade or you want to replace or add capacity, you just add another node and the system will take care of it. There's a policy engine that makes data move around and make sure that the data is at the right spot at the right time. Then we move on to another system, which is a fully AMD based system. It's the R6525, which can take up to 3 GPUs in the back. And basically we put in MI210s here, which is a very nice new card from AMD, which gives us a lot of performance, especially for specific workloads like mechanical engineering and cosmology, which are sparse and have let's say, not a full FP64, but the machine is very capable and can take all of and the nice thing about it is, as you can see, it's a water-cooled system. So we can take the heat of the CPUs out at a very high, let's say, level, making sure that these systems run really cold. We've been getting great feedback from the customers walking by and having interest in the systems and getting, let's say, on top of it, and let's say having open discussions with them. Even people that don't know Dell, they are getting interested.